Ayan, si Lexi may date ngayon. Kaya kami lang dalawa. Kasi mimit niya yung best friend niyang si Juha. Maglalaro daw sila. Kaya sabi niya, walang siblings today. So, mommy and Lexi. How are you, Pipi?
Yep.
How are you?
Great.
So, what's the plan today?
I forgot what the plan is. So, first we meet at Tim's. Then, when we meet at Tim's, we instantly go to, not the arcade, the claw machine. And then, after the claw machine, we'll go karaoke. And then after karaoke, we'll go to Miniso. And then after Miniso, we go to the restaurant. Maybe Tim's, because it's near the fountain.
Yeah, I think we need to go early, Bibi, because we need to buy the faucet. Our faucet is broken.
Yeah. Burp, burp. I don't know what happened. Yeah, there was a bucket full of water. Yeah. I don't know why.
Okay, see you later.
Peace out.
So ayan, andito na kami. Nakarating na kami sa ka-date. Si Lexi may ka-date. Oh, Lexi. They're asking you. Oh, dito kami sa sa Starbucks. Kaso doon naman daw sila. Dati nag-meet sila sa Starbucks. Ngayon, sa Teams naman daw sila. Oh, Bekin and Starbucks. Sa Teams na naman daw sila. O, diba? Oy, mga sister, join ako balik ha. Kay naanang mother ni join ako ha. Join ako balik. Bye-bye. Bye.
Wait, it's much better if we went to Starbucks, but not too.
Are we going inside or here?
Inside.
Did you send message to Juha? Take off. Ayan. So, nandito kami. Ang ganda ng clouds, guys. O, diba? Ang ganda ng panahon, pero malamig na. Ayan. Dito si Lexi ulit mamasyal. Ang paborito niyang place.
Wait,
what?
What? So, Starbucks or Tim's?
Teams, you're.
So, what do I ask?
So, Juha, we're here already. We're waiting for you inside, okay? So nice. I did not see that coming. Lexi, sweat. 뭐야, 이제 그만 나와. 감기 걸려. 안 좋아? Oh, so cold. 감기 걸린다. 안 춥냐? ayan. Pauwi na kami. My God. Yung opportunity na makapag-vlog, hindi nakapag-vlog kasi nga naya naman ako sa nanay ng friend ni Lexi. O, diba? Naya akong kunan. Kaya ito, paputol-putol ang aming video. Yung pauwi na kami, nakita namin si ate kasi nga, kanya-kanya kami ng lakad. Yung kambal kasi nasa bahay lang.
You can make fire out of your glass.
Then, si ate kasi, gumala din siya, may laro with classmate. Ayan, so dito kami sa Korean Town. Sayang hindi ko na-videohan, maybe next time. Ang ganda ng ano dito.
Try to make a
Place.
campfire even though there's like a little fire.
Are you having fun today, Lexi?
Yeah.
Sa ayan, nag-enjoy kami kasi kanina pa kaming ako, may ampaw. Toys. Ayan, may nagbibenta 90 replek. Kanina pa kami 1:30 umalis ng bahay. Naglaro sila sa arcade. Tapos, ayan, nag-shopping. Charot. Nag-shopping sila. And then, naglaro sa fountain. Basang-basa. Buti na lang yung nanay ng best friend ni Lexi mabait. So, pumunta nga din sa bahay nila. Ayun, nagpalit. Ayan. Pero may dala din naman akong may dala akong extra na damit. Kaso, hindi ko naman akalain mga friendship na pati sapatos niya basa. So, nag-stay muna kami sa bahay ng friendship niya. Dina-dry pa yung shoes. Ayan, ako.
How many more minutes?
It's 1 minute. So, yeah. Okay?
Okay.
So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Sayang Ang ganda ng Korean Town, guys. Hindi ko kayo napasyal. Hindi na pa kayo paikot-ikot dyan. Yeah. Bye!